And what does after history of present illness? Past history, past illness. So that needs to include medical problems, surgical problems, and if it is a female patient, obstetrical history. Okay. We can next palpate for the PMI, and by just putting our hand over where we think the apex is. He's kind of heavy. If you want to roll him a little bit, you can. But again, we palpate for the PMI, which is normally in the 5th intercostal space, and the clavicular line. So about in here.
Actually, we will go for the observation. The chest wall looks normal, and we will look for the PMI in the 5th clavicular, in the midline of the 5th intercostal, in the mid clavicular. The PMI is normal, and next is the auscultation. So in the auscultation,
please stand deeply and breathe out continuously. And then you can see that his chest is moving at a normal rhythm, and then we can percuss the intercostal spaces to listen for any dull sounds.
We continue with the general examination of the ears. His ears look quite normal. The appearance is normal and he is able to hear. There is no drainage.
The cardiac rhythm is normal. I do not feel any irregularities, but I do think there is a slight normal sound. I can hear it, and maybe we can do an examination on it later. The cardiac examination is